What if I told you that just one exercise done every single day could completely transform your body, boost your confidence, and even add years to your life? But here's the scary part. 95% of people who try it quit before seeing results. Will you be one of them? Stick around, because in the next 60 minutes, you'll discover exactly what happens to your body after 30 days of 100 squats daily, and why most people fail. Let's dive in. Squats aren't just a leg exercise, they're a full body power move. But why 100? Well, science says this magic number triggers muscle growth, fat loss, and even improves testosterone levels. And no, before you ask, you won't end up looking like a bodybuilder unless you're eating like one. So relax. Karen. But here's the catch. If you do them wrong, you could be wasting your time, or worse, hurting yourself. Up next, the right way to squat. Most people think squats are simple, just bend your knees, right? Wrong. A bad squat is like driving a Ferrari in first gear. You're not going anywhere fast. Quick question, when was the last time you actually felt your glutes working? If the answer is never, you're doing it wrong. Now that you know how to squat, what happens to your body after 7 days? The results may shock you. After just 1 week, your legs feel stronger. After 30 days, your jeans fit differently. And after 90 days, people start asking if you've been working out. Imagine looking in the mirror 3 months from now, regretting that you didn't start today. But before you rush off, there's a dark side to 100 squats daily. And if you ignore this, you could end up worse than when you started. Mistake number 1, going too fast. This isn't a race, it's a marathon. Mistake number 2, skipping rest days. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you destroy them. And please, for the love of gains, stop holding your breath. You're not a submarine. Now the big question, should you do 100 squats every day? The answer may surprise you. If you're a beginner, start with 50. If you're advanced, add weight. But if you have knee pain, stop. Listen to your body. The only wrong decision is doing nothing. Your future self will either thank you or curse you. Want more life-changing health tips? Check out my next video on the 5-minute morning routine that burns fat all day, linked right here.